Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So, this is my third video after I started sharing my NEET PG journey with you all. So, currently I have completed pediatric biochem anesthesia and I have watched few TNDs. As you all know, I got my BTR notes very late, so I am little back from the schedule, which is already finished the first cycle. So I have made my own timetable and I am trying to follow that. But because of Diwali function, festivals, everything, there are a lot of to-do list left, which I am trying to cover up now. And currently, I am doing microbiology. So it is my first time that I'm doing micro from BTR. In my last prep, I did it from Priti Sharma ma'am. Obviously, she is the gold standard. The way she teaches microbiology is best. I love learning micro and patho from Priti ma'am. So currently, I'm trying to do it from BTR because I want to make my notes more concise. So because of her, I like doing micro, and currently I'm doing it from BTR. So I am trying to uh, compile this two into BTR. Like I'm doing it from BTR, but side by side, I'm also going through my micro notes of Preeti Sharma ma'am. That is the rapid revision of micro from Prep Ladder. So I am going through that notes simultaneously, and I am adding points to my BTR notes. So in that way, I will have everything. I will have it in one place. So I am trying to do that currently. So I have kept micro for 3 days because I already did it many times before. So things are not much old for me. They are still fresh in my mind. So and anyhow, uh, if you even do micro 5, 6, 7 revisions, still it will not remain in your brain. So you need it to revise 6 or 7 days before the exam so that you can recall, because it is a volatile subject and you tend to forget it no matter how much good student you are. You will forget it eventually. Like similarly it goes with the BTR anatomy. They are also the volatile, also pharma. These subjects are tend to be forget. Like you have to revise this four subject at least 5 to 6 days before the exam. And so my point is that I'm working to concise my notes more and more, so I get enough time to do it during my last revision, that is before the exam. So yes, and I have also registered for counseling for the NEET PG all India based seats. So I'm just I will try if I get seat, but I really don't have any hopes. But I still want to try. So I have registered it, and in few days I will fill up some choices which I want, and I think that I can get, but still less hopes. So let's see what happens. Um, I will be waiting till the stay round. If I get any seat, any clinical seat, I will take it. If no, I'm already in my prep phase. So let's see what happens. I will keep you guys informed. And let me know if you are preparing for the next year NEET PG, in what phase of preparation you are, and any anything you are going through, or anything. If you want to share, you can comment. And thanks for watching the video. Thank you.